In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2020 MCQs, that is, let W into F be a subspace of a finite dimensional vector space V into F, then dimension V difference M is. Solution theorem, that is, let W into F be a subspace of a finite dimensional vector space V into F, then dimension of V difference M is equal to dimension of V minus dimension of M. So option A is correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.